In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invite link through a web messaging app. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. If Chrome is already open, that's perfect. If not, go ahead and launch it and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once you're in, navigate to the web version of the messaging app you want to use. This could be any messaging platform you normally access through your browser. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your conversations and contacts. After the messaging app is open, locate the chat window where you want to send the invite. This can be an existing conversation or a new message, depending on who you want to share the link with. Make sure you choose the correct contact before sending anything, especially if you have multiple chats open or several conversations that look similar. Taking an extra second here can help avoid sending the link to the wrong person. Next, click inside the message box so your cursor is active there. Then paste the invite URL that you copied earlier. On most computers, you can do this by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using your keyboard shortcut. Once the link appears in the message field, quickly review it to make sure the full URL is there and that nothing was accidentally left out. This is especially useful if the link is long, because an incomplete link may not work properly when the other person clicks it. When everything looks correct, send the message to the friend you want to invite. Depending on the messaging app, you can either press enter on your keyboard or click the send button next to the text box. After the message is sent, the link should appear directly in the conversation thread, making it easy for your friend to open it. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to confirm that the message actually went through. You can look for a sent indicator, a timestamp, or simply make sure the link is visible in the chat after sending. That way, you know your invite was successfully shared and ready for your friend to use. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invite link using a web messaging app in Chrome.